to DIY UK. Today we're on another small handyman project. We're drilling through some polished porcelain, which today I'm going to show you how to drill through polished porcelain if you've got the right tools, and it's always good to try to have the right tools to do it. Let me just nick this up here. Excuse me. Today I'm using, let's wash this out. I'm using a 6mm Markerist diamond tipped drill bit, which I got in CDT tiles shop, and it came with a tile gauge, which I'm not using today, but it does come with this handy tile gauge which you can use, and you just find when you mark your hole, it comes in 12, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4 mil drill bits, drill hole sizes rather, and then we're using 6mm, so you can just pop it through a 6mm hole like that. And how it works is, when you establish where your hole is, you just pop it over your hole, pop the sucker on there, put the sucker on, and that's nice and tight, and you can go through your 6mm one without the drill skipping off and scratching the tiles. So, or alternatively, I'm going to show you another way of doing it. If you don't fancy doing it this way, I find that when you use this, you can't see where the actual, you can feel it, but you can't see where the actual hole is. So what I'm going to do is, I can just leave this aside, it's the better view, is what I'm going to do is we try to start this at an angle. So always, although this is dry cut, I like to keep it wet, just a little cup of water, keep it wet. So what we try to do is, if you come in a bit closer, you can see, I will try to start this drill off. We've marked off, we put three little markers on here. So try to put this here. If you start in the middle of your hole line, when you come over it, you're going to be off center to your hole line. So try to start just 1/2 mil away from it, very lightly. And make sure your drill is not on hammer, because you're going to you either break the tile or it will just start bouncing. So make sure it's on the screwdriver mode. I've got this drill on number 2, which is the highest speed. And just come away from it a bit. When it picks up, now when you've established that groove in here, okay, just slowly start to level the drill off. You start to level your drill off, and take your time, it's not a rush drill. A good little tip is just to rotate your drill. Once you're in, rotate your drill ever so slightly. Just a little bit, you don't want to go too much. Every so often, cool your drill. Again, little rotation, not too much pressure. When you start seeing smoking get a bit dusty, just again. Let's take a little bit, may take 5 minutes to get through the hole. Maybe, depending on. This drill bit I'm quite impressed with this drill bit, it's really good. And in the pack you get 2 6mm and 1 7mm. feel when you come to the end of it, you might, depending on what build you want, you might feel the dust start popping out. So you know, and just ease off the pressure a bit, because you don't want to slam it and go and maybe have a chance of cracking it. Through. We're through that tile. Cool the tile tool down, and then you just repeat the process for, clean this off a bit, you can see, you just repeat the process for the other two, and that's how we drill a hole. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks to all the new subscribers. We haven't quite got a lot of subscribers at the moment, but we'd like to get some more. So if you find it interesting, do like and share, comment, and maybe you can undertake something very simple like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.